Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Dodge Challenger RT. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Dodge is a great value with less than 14,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.